Welcome back to Wellness Wave Official, your go-to place for health, wellness, and self-improvement. Today, we explore healthy smoothie recipes for glowing skin, where science and well-being connect. Join us as we uncover powerful habits and strategies to elevate your recipes for glowing skin today. Did you know that what you drink can be the key to achieving radiant, glowing skin? While skincare products play a role in maintaining healthy skin, the real secret lies in nourishing your body from the inside out. A diet rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration can work wonders for your complexion, making your skin look clearer, firmer, and more youthful. And what better way to consume these nutrients than through delicious smoothies? Today, we'll explore 7 powerful smoothie recipes designed to enhance your skin's natural glow, reduce inflammation, and keep it hydrated. These recipes are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients to help your skin look its absolute best. Keycap 1: The Ultimate Antioxidant Glow Smoothie. Antioxidants are your skin's best friend. They fight free radicals which cause premature aging, dullness, and wrinkles. This smoothie is a powerhouse of blueberries, strawberries, and spinach, blended with hydrating coconut water. Blueberries are rich in vitamins C and E, which help brighten your complexion and protect against sun damage. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a natural compound that prevents collagen breakdown, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Meanwhile, spinach is packed with iron and chlorophyll, which detoxify your body and help your skin stay fresh and clear. Keycap 2: Hydrating Green Goddess Smoothie. Did you know that dehydration can make your skin look dull, flaky, and tired? This smoothie is a game changer. A combination of cucumber, avocado, and coconut milk creates a deeply hydrating drink that replenishes your skin from within. Cucumber is packed with silica, a compound that strengthens skin elasticity and prevents sagging. Avocado, on the other hand, is loaded with healthy fats that lock in moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. Coconut milk provides an extra boost of hydration and essential minerals. Keycap 3: The Collagen-Boosting Citrus Smoothie. Want firmer, youthful skin? Collagen is a crucial protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth, but as we age, our body's natural collagen production declines. This citrus-packed smoothie enhances collagen synthesis with oranges, pineapples, and Greek yogurt. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, while pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and promotes clearer skin. Greek yogurt provides protein to support skin regeneration, helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Keycap 4: The Detox Berry and Beet Smoothie. Toxins can accumulate in your body over time, leading to breakouts, dull skin, and premature aging. This detoxifying smoothie, made from beets, raspberries, and flax seeds, helps purify your blood and remove impurities. Beets are rich in iron and nitrates, which promote oxygen flow to your skin cells, giving your face a healthy, radiant glow. Raspberries are packed with antioxidants, helping to reduce redness and inflammation, while flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids that strengthen the skin barrier and keep it hydrated. Keycap 5: The Anti-Inflammatory Golden Glow Smoothie. Struggling with acne or redness? Inflammation is a major culprit behind breakouts, uneven skin tone, and puffiness. This turmeric-infused smoothie helps calm inflammation and restore your skin's natural glow. By combining mango, banana, turmeric, and almond milk, you get a powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Mango is rich in beta-carotene, which protects your skin from UV damage, while turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps combat acne and skin irritation.